Lee Wilson here again, Wilson Brothers Ranch YouTube channel. Glad to have you guys here. Big day for us. We've had these doors for 2 years now. We have moved them from the boxes, the crates they came in, into the garage, into the attic, moved them around so many times. They've been in the way, finally got them out of the way. But today, and I'm hoping that we have no issue getting our first one up. So this will be the first door going up in the entire house. Now we've got the 6 external doors, but this will be the first internal door. And yeah, it's going up today, and we're hoping all the hardware and the frames work good. And come along with us for the journey and see if it's going to be great or a horrible mess, one of the two. So thanks for being here.
First box I opened has 3 in the box. And we check every box. It says 3 each. On this box on the shop sleeve. If they're all 3 each or whatever.
And these look like they're, let's see. Again, before you put this door, we might want to take a minute to see your knife in there. We want to take a minute and just clean the door frame up, because it may be easier to out the door. Come on. Sure, I don't overtake anything, right? Okay. Be in there now, I guess.
I would imagine so. Make sure push down.
It's moving.
Yep, we're in.
Okay. See how it's all floppity flippity?
I did.
Because we gotta get those screws in now.
Yes, sir.
Pull that down tight. I'm assuming that's right.
Yep. I mean, it looks correct to me.
Start or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. It's awful wobbly up here, like something's just not.
I didn't get it tight whatsoever.
No, I know, but it's just as wobbly as it is, it just, I don't see it going down straight. What's step 3? Just so I can see that. I don't understand any of this stuff. Where he made that hook fit in. 2, install, lock, unit. Through the bolt hole. You going through the bolt hole? There's 2 holes in the door.
Yeah.
In the wood. Is that where you want to put those?
Pretty sure, yeah.
I'm asking. There's 2 holes in the actual wood. Did you drop something?
Yeah, I thought you were holding the screw for me.
Where was that? Guess what it was? The door, Steve, it's all you.
Got it.
It's all you. You're the only one that has it.
I guess we put the lights on now.
Yeah, as long as Steve and ready?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Good. Very good. And to unlock it, what do you gotta do? Just put a screwdriver in there and turn it?
Pin, nickel, pin.
Something. Just let you know it's locked. Just. Light. For sure. How's your height?
Can it go up a little?
See if you hold that door. Are you in?
Yep.
Hey, watch your head. Okay. One on this top one. So you have to push the top of that, select so. Okay. Alright. That should get it done. I would think one screw would hold it, but I'll go ahead and put some more in it. I'm gonna get these semi-close so you can tighten them with a screwdriver.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna have to swing that door open more. I can't get to these.
Swing it open.
Okay. Now I can get to it. Might not be able to get them with a screwdriver, I don't know. I just don't want to strip them, you know?
Yes, sir.
I'll leave them out so I don't strip them. We're gonna figure out how to unlock it. You have to unscrew them to make them go down a little bit. That's probably good.
You were pushing down on it, correct?
Man, it makes so. Okay. That off. Take this off. Let's go ahead and separate this while we got it. Yeah. And then like that. Cool. Alright. We need the two little black screws out of there. It's going the right way.
Yes.
Screwdriver. I think I got it tight, but I don't want to assume anything. We'll just ready to finish it off by hand. Okay. Tight. Alright, so this little slot right here, as you can see, inside here, a little piece. this has to slide into that slot. Okay? Or it won't open and close the door. So that's what we're working on right now. Come in. Talk to me, Chase.
Come in. Come in all the way.
Did we catch it? Yep. Caught it. Now, as you can see, when I work the handle, it works. So. This thing just does not look like it seats correctly. But once
There's a lot of compression.
yeah, it sucks it down with those screws, for sure. Good?
Sure.
Metal plate, or what's that thing called on the instructions? A rose cover?
Rose cover.
Rose cover. Roses are black. Just like your heart, Chase.
Oh, nice.
Handle?
We don't need these screws.
No. We used two of them. There must be two left over from this one, two left over from the last one.
Got it.
That's great. All right, so we're gonna make sure that we can actually get in this thing in case somebody accidentally pushes this button and closes the door and we're locked out. So came with this little tool, you know, to get the little bar off. So I'm curious. I know this is also a way to tighten and loosen the rose covers. So let's see how it works on here. If I can get it in here anyway. It does unlock it. So you can unlock it. Not too hard, but hard enough to where you're not gonna do it with the thumb now. So. Awesome. So put some of the little rubber things on there and it should be good to go. And let's see how well it fits from top to bottom. I mean, we're just shy of flush here and just shy of flush there. So we're in pretty good shape.